Come on down.
Come on, Sam.
Come on down. Yes, you came.
I see stockings.
Does
Dylan, that side. That side. Over here. Over here. Do you see anything? Come on, keep going.
Come on down. There's presents here.
Look over by the tree.
It's just presents.
Right there.
Look it.
Wow.
Wow. Presents.
Where's Daddy the strike ball?
Joe.
Those, yeah, the blue ones. Looks like the blue ones are for you, I think.
The blue ones are Dylan's, looks like, and the red ones are Kate's. Wow. A lot of presents. Wait, let's do our, you want to do maybe, oh, here comes Sam. Good morning, Chunker.
Go ahead, Santa Claus.
Dill, can you believe it?
Wow. Alright, Mama, what do we do?
Should we do stockings first?
Do you want to do stockings first, though?
No, let's open this.
Okay.
You want to do these first? Okay.
Okay, we'll pick one,
Well, let's
get blue ones. Let's see where we want to sit down. Good morning, Miss Ray.
You take her. I gotta feed the dogs. I gotta get coffee started. I gotta.
Well, Dill, do you want to wait a second? Because Daddy's gotta.
2 seconds.
Daddy's gonna get. Can you believe all these presents you got?
Just open it.
Well-
Can we open it?
Yeah, just let Daddy. Daddy's just gotta feed the doggies and start his coffee. Then we can open it, okay?